I'm about to hop into this thing. Alright, let me try. You just hop on like this. Bro, this is high. Scary. Okay. God. We're in. Damn, bro. This thing is nice. Even got the rear mirror. Dang. This thing's actually really big. Got the controllers. Dang. I like this thing. I'm about to go to the one right here. Alright, let's go. Let's go check that one out. Alright. Hop into the next one. Alright, this one's a little more bigger, so this might be a little harder for me. We'll check it out, I guess. Oh wait, never mind. This is more easier. See? Okay. Oh. And we're in. This thing's even cooler. Holy. Look, guys. Stay tuned.